Before we move on to the conversion operators in JavaScript, let's quickly look at the relational and comparison operators. So equals, greater than equals, less than equals, exclamation point equals, and exclamation point double equals. So let's quickly look at it. They're not that complicated. So these operators are used to compare values, similar to the double equal sign, right, or triple equal sign. So let's say if I want to say if this particular value is greater than or equal to, let's say 1, it's going to say true. So if I make it 2, it's also going to be true. So let's say if I make it to be, let's say 5, it's going to say false because 5 is not equal to or greater than 2. Similarly, you can do the reverse of it. So I can simply reverse the sign and it's going to say true. Now, you might be wondering if this particular operator can do coercion or not. And you see, it can. So if I just made this into a string, it does the coercion for us. So can we provide a string value over here? So can I do, let's say, Aziz, and do Aziz over here as well? And yes, you can. So it converts the values and tries to compare the two values. Now, whenever you see these particular operators, so it has two of these symbols, that means the coercion is happening. Now, let's say if you can you add the double equal sign over here and hit enter? And the answer is no. So you may be wondering, maybe it's in your head, that just the way when we were using the 2 equal sign and 3 equal sign, could we also add one more equals to disable coercion, right? But no, you can't. These are the only symbols we have available in JavaScript. Now, one more operator or two more operators there is if you want to compare if two values are not equal after coercion. So let's say if I want to do 2 not equal, so you do the exclamation point and equal sign. So you're basically comparing if these two values are not equal to each other. So no, they are equal. So that's why the result is false. But if I make it into a string, it is also false because the coercion is in play. But let's say if you want to disable the coercion, you add the equal sign over here, and now the number 2 and the string 2 are not equal because this is a number and this is a string. So coercion is enabled when you add the double equals and the exclamation. And if you use the single equals and the exclamation, the coercion is enabled. Coercion meaning the conversion is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to talk to you in the next.